Dr. Liam Morgan stood at the helm of the control center, eyes fixed on the monitors that displayed the progress of the Endeavour. The hum of sophisticated machinery provided a steady backdrop to the room's charged atmosphere. The spacecraft, equipped with the latest in human innovation, was on the brink of achieving faster-than-light travel, a feat deemed impossible until now. "Liam, we're ready for the final sequence," announced Captain David Hughes, his voice crackling through the comms. Hughes was a seasoned explorer, his leadership having earned him respect among his peers. The crew, a diverse group of the brightest minds, shared a silent anticipation. "Proceed with caution, David. We've come too far to let anything go wrong now," Liam responded, his tone measured yet laced with the gravity of their mission. His late wife, a fellow scientist, had dreamed of this day, and Liam was determined to see it through in her honor. As the final preparations were underway, light years away, on the planet Zalith, Dr. Thalrex and his team of alien scientists detected an unprecedented energy surge. Thalrex, an expert in cosmic phenomena, scrutinized the readings with a mixture of disbelief and alarm. This human spacecraft was about to break the fundamental laws of physics, something his species had long deemed unachievable. "Alert the Council," Thalrex ordered, his mind racing with the implications. The last thing the galaxy needed was instability introduced by an unpredictable human invention. As protocols were initiated, the Zalith scientists worked fervently to assess the potential risks. Back on the Endeavour, the crew braced for the historic leap. "Activating lightspeed drive in 3, 2, 1, Hughes announced. A burst of energy enveloped the ship, and in an instant, they transcended the known limits of space travel. The stars outside the viewport elongated into streaks of light, a testament to their newfound velocity. However, the triumph was short-lived. Unforeseen anomalies began to plague the ship. Time seemed to warp, and spatial distortions created bizarre optical effects. Dr. Morgan's instruments provided data that defied conventional understanding. "Captain, we're experiencing significant temporal and spatial fluctuations. We need to stabilize the drive," he warned. Suddenly, an alert flashed on their screens. A distress signal from deep space. It was a message from another human ship, or so it seemed. "It's impossible. There's no other vessel out here," Hughes muttered, suspicion tinging his voice. "Could be a trap. Let's proceed with extreme caution," Dr. Morgan advised. The crew's focus shifted as they traced the source of the signal, only to discover a sophisticated ruse. An alien ship, disguised as a distress beacon, lay in wait. The Zalith had found them. "Brace for impact. Evasive maneuvers now," Hughes commanded. The Endeavour veered sharply, but the alien ship pursued with relentless precision. The chase intensified, with the humans deploying every countermeasure at their disposal. On Earth, Dr. Morgan's team worked tirelessly to provide real-time support, decoding alien technologies and strategies. Meanwhile, the aliens, led by Thalrex, prepared for an encounter. Their mission was clear: prevent the human ship from destabilizing the galaxy. As the Endeavour maneuvered through the stars, Captain Hughes and his crew displayed remarkable resilience, their every action driven by the will to survive and succeed. "Liam, we need a solution now," Hughes shouted as the ship shuddered under the strain of another near miss. Dr. Morgan's mind raced, piecing together fragments of data and insights. "We need to reverse the polarity of the drive. It might just counteract the anomalies and give us a fighting chance," he suggested. With the clock ticking, the crew executed the complex maneuver. The ship stabilized, if only temporarily, and the immediate threat of the anomalies subsided. However, their relief was short-lived as the alien vessel closed in, its intentions unmistakable. In a final bid to evade capture, Hughes led a daring escape. The Endeavour darted through the stars, a testament to human ingenuity and tenacity. On board, the crew rallied, their unity and determination shining through every challenge. Dr. Liam Morgan sat in the control room, scanning the latest data from the Endeavour. The readings were beyond anything he had ever seen, defying conventional science. On board the spacecraft, Captain David Hughes kept a steady hand on the controls, guiding his crew through the unknown. "Liam, we've got another anomaly." Hugh's voice crackled through the comms. The Endeavour had escaped the immediate threat from the alien ship, but the challenges were far from over. "It's as if space itself is bending around us." Dr. Morgan's mind raced. The ship had achieved faster-than-light travel, but the consequences were unfolding in unpredictable ways. "Maintain current course, David. We need more data," he replied, his voice steady despite the uncertainty. Meanwhile, on the alien vessel, Dr. Thalrex watched the human ship with a mixture of curiosity and concern. The humans had achieved something his kind had deemed impossible, and the potential repercussions were staggering. "Prepare the capture mechanism," he ordered. "We cannot let them continue unchecked." Back on the Endeavour, the crew received another distress signal. It appeared human, but the origin was suspect. "This has to be another trap," Hughes said, frowning at the screen. "But we can't ignore it. Lives could be at stake." "Agreed," Liam responded. "But we proceed with caution. Send a probe to investigate first." The probe launched into the void, transmitting data back to the Endeavour. As expected, it confirmed their suspicions. The signal was a decoy. Without warning, the alien ship reappeared, and the chase resumed. The Endeavour zigzagged through the stars, dodging energy blasts and employing every evasive maneuver. "They're not letting up," Hughes muttered, gripping the controls tightly. Dr. Morgan's eyes flicked over the data streaming in from the probe. "I've got it. There's a weak point in their cloaking mechanism. If we can exploit it, we might just escape," he said. Hughes nodded, relaying the plan to his crew. "All hands, prepare for rapid maneuvers. We've got one shot at this." As the Endeavour executed the intricate maneuver, the alien ship's cloak flickered, revealing its true form. Hughes took advantage, steering the ship into a narrow asteroid field where the larger alien vessel struggled to follow. The humans maneuvered deftly, the smaller size of their craft giving them an edge in the tight space. Dr. Thalrex, realizing the humans were slipping away, ordered his ship to halt. "They are more resourceful than we anticipated," he admitted to his second-in-command. "But this isn't over. We must regroup and reassess our strategy." On board the Endeavour, the crew celebrated their temporary reprieve. "Well done, everyone," Hughes said, his usual stoicism giving way to a rare smile. "But we can't relax yet. We need to find out more about these aliens and their intentions." Dr. Morgan, reflecting on the day's events, felt a mixture of pride and foreboding. The Endeavour's journey had pushed the boundaries of human achievement, but it had also attracted the attention of a powerful and advanced species. "We need to prepare for whatever comes next," he said to Hughes. "We've entered a new era of exploration, and we must be ready for its challenges." The Endeavour cruised steadily through the expanse, its crew wary of another encounter with the alien vessel. Inside the ship, Dr. Liam Morgan analyzed the latest data. The earlier anomalies had subsided, but new challenges awaited. They had ventured into an area where human knowledge was limited, and the stakes were higher than ever. "Captain Hughes, we need to address the energy fluctuations affecting our systems," Liam advised. The captain, standing resolute at the helm, nodded. "We've got a brief window to make necessary adjustments. Let's not waste it." As the crew worked, an alert signaled an incoming transmission. It was from Dr. Thalrex, the alien scientist who had previously attempted to capture them. The message was an ultimatum. "Humans, your technological leap poses a threat. Surrender your ship for the sake of interstellar stability." Captain Hughes, his patience worn thin, replied firmly, "We're willing to discuss terms, but surrender is not an option. Meet us at these coordinates for a diplomatic resolution." The coordinates led to a neutral asteroid field, a desolate area where neither party held an advantage. Dr. Morgan and Hughes prepared for the encounter, hoping for a peaceful dialogue but ready for confrontation. Upon arrival, the Endeavour was met by the Zalith ship, its sleek, ominous form contrasting sharply with the rugged asteroids. The crews of both ships assembled in a virtual meeting space. Dr. Thalrex appeared on the screen, his expression a blend of curiosity and caution. "Dr. Thalrex, We understand your concerns, but our mission is one of exploration, not conquest, Liam began. We seek knowledge and cooperation, not conflict. Thalrex's eyes narrowed. Your actions have already disrupted the balance. How can we trust that you will not further endanger the galaxy? Captain Hughes interjected. Trust must be built. Let's start by sharing information. We can learn from each other's advancements and ensure mutual safety. Thalrex considered the proposal. His hesitation was evident, but the potential benefits of collaboration were undeniable. Very well, we will initiate a controlled exchange of data. But be warned, any deviation from this agreement will be met with immediate action. The agreement marked a tentative truce. Both ships exchanged preliminary data, focusing on shared goals such as navigation safety and energy stability. Back on the Endeavour, the crew analyzed the alien technology, uncovering insights that could enhance their own systems. Captain, look at this, Liam called out, pointing to a schematic. Their energy stabilizers are far more efficient than ours. We can integrate this into our ship's core to prevent future anomalies. Hughes nodded appreciatively. Good work, Liam. Implement it immediately. As the crew made adjustments, a deeper understanding of the Zalith's fears emerged. Their civilization had encountered other species who, upon achieving similar technological breakthroughs, had caused catastrophic events. The Zalith's caution was rooted in these past experiences. Dr. Morgan, reflecting on this, realized that trust would not be easily earned. They needed a gesture that demonstrated their commitment to peaceful exploration. Captain, what if we share our own breakthrough in return? Show them we're willing to be as open as they are. Hughes agreed. They compiled a detailed report on their faster-than-light drive, highlighting both its potential and its risks. Transmit this to Dr. Thalrex. Let's see how they respond, Hughes ordered. The response came quickly. Thalrex was visibly impressed by the transparency and detail of the shared data. Your willingness to share this information speaks volumes. Perhaps we have underestimated your intentions. Before any further steps could be taken, the Endeavour-S sensors detected an unknown ship approaching rapidly. The signal was not Zalith, nor any known entity. Captain, we've got an unidentified vessel closing in fast, the tactical officer reported. Shields up, prepare for evasive maneuvers, Hughes commanded. The Zalith ship also took defensive positions, indicating they were not expecting this either. The unknown vessel halted at a distance, transmitting a message. The language was indecipherable, but the tone was clearly aggressive. Both human and Zalith ships braced for potential combat, the truce between them now more crucial than ever. In this charged moment, Dr. Morgan made a bold suggestion. Captain, we need to show strength and unity. Let's send a joint message to this new ship, demonstrating our combined force and willingness to defend our peace. Hughes and Thalrex quickly agreed. The joint transmission was sent, a powerful statement of their alliance. The unknown ship paused, seemingly re-evaluating its approach. The Endeavour and the Zalith ship stood side by side in the silent expanse, their joint message having paused the unknown vessel. Captain David Hughes maintained a vigilant watch, ready for any sign of hostility. Dr. Liam Morgan, meanwhile, monitored the incoming data streams, hoping for an indication of the new ship's intentions. This ship's design is unlike anything we've seen, Liam noted. It's not Zalith, and it doesn't match any known configurations from Earth's records. As the unknown vessel approached, it emitted a series of signals. The communication team on the Endeavour worked rapidly to decode the message. It's a warning, said the lead translator, a sharp-eyed linguist named Dr. Patel. They're demanding our immediate withdrawal, claiming we've encroached on their territory. Captain Hughes exchanged a look with Dr. Morgan. This complicates things. We can't back down now, not when we're so close to forging a meaningful alliance with the Zalith. Dr. Thalrex appeared on the joint communication link. We should proceed with caution. This species is unknown and may not adhere to the same principles of diplomacy. Hughes nodded. Agreed. Let's send a response indicating our peaceful intentions and willingness to discuss terms. The response was transmitted, and for a tense few moments, the Endeavour and the Zalith ship awaited the unknown vessel's reply. The alien ship slowed its approach, signaling an openness to dialogue. A visual link was established, revealing an imposing figure of their species. Its eyes, sharp and calculating, scanned the joint human-Zalith delegation. "You are trespassing," the alien leader stated in a deep, resonant voice. "Identify yourselves and state your purpose." Captain Hughes stepped forward. "I am Captain David Hughes of the human spacecraft Endeavour. We are on a mission of exploration and peaceful contact. We have established a tentative alliance with the Zalith. We seek knowledge and mutual understanding, not conflict." The alien leader regarded them with suspicion. "Your technological advancements are a concern. We have witnessed civilizations fall to ruin from similar pursuits." Dr. Morgan interjected. "We understand your caution. We've learned from our history as well. Our goal is to share knowledge and work together to ensure stability and peace in the galaxy." A long silence followed as the alien leader considered their words. "We will allow a temporary truce," he finally said. "But any sign of aggression or deceit will be met with force." With the immediate threat reduced, the Endeavour, Zalith, and the unknown vessel established a temporary research outpost on a nearby asteroid. Scientists and diplomats from all three species began a cautious exchange of information, focusing on shared interests like navigation, energy resources, and interspecies communication protocols. During these exchanges, Dr. Morgan uncovered a crucial insight. "Captain, I've discovered that the alien species, the Zorith, have advanced knowledge of subspace anomalies. Their expertise could help us stabilize our faster-than-light travel and prevent the anomalies we've been experiencing." Hughes saw the potential. "If we can integrate their knowledge with our technology, we could achieve safer and more reliable travel, benefiting all our civilizations." Dr. Thalrex was equally intrigued. "The Zalith have long sought stable, faster-than-light travel. This cooperation could be the breakthrough we need." As discussions progressed, mutual respect and understanding began to grow. The initial hostilities gave way to productive collaboration. Dr. Morgan and a Zorith scientist named Zalara worked closely on integrating their technologies, finding common ground in their shared passion for discovery. One evening, after a particularly successful session, Zalara approached Dr. Morgan. "Your species is unique. Despite the initial threat you posed, your willingness to cooperate and learn is commendable." Liam smiled. "The universe is vast, and there's so much we don't know. We're stronger when we work together." The chapter concluded with the three species achieving a significant breakthrough. A new drive system, incorporating human ingenuity, Zalith stability technology, and Zorith subspace knowledge, was developed. This achievement not only stabilized faster-than-light travel but also marked the beginning of a new era of interspecies cooperation. As the research outpost continued to thrive, the Endeavour prepared to return to Earth with the newfound knowledge and alliances. Captain Hughes addressed his crew, his voice filled with pride. "We've faced challenges and uncertainties, but through cooperation, we've achieved something extraordinary. This is just the start of what we can accomplish together."